Have you ever wondered about the evolution of car safety? In recent years, remarkable strides have been made, particularly by one leading company, Tesla. Known for pushing boundaries in technology and safety, Teslas have consistently received top ratings in crash tests, setting a new standard for automotive safety. Join us as we explore the innovative features and engineering marvels that make Teslas stand out as some of the safest vehicles on the road today. One of the key reasons why Teslas are considered safer is their unique design and structural integrity. Unlike traditional vehicles with internal combustion engines, Teslas lack a bulky engine at the front. This absence allows for a more efficient crumple zone, absorbing impact energy and reducing the force transmitted to occupants during a collision. The strategic placement of the heavy battery pack and electric motors contributes to a lower center of gravity, minimizing the risk of rollovers, a significant factor in overall vehicle safety. Structural strength and rollover protection. The structural strength of Teslas is a testament to their safety prowess. Models like the midsize SUV Model Y boast an impressively low rollover risk, as determined by the NHTSA. Even in the rare event of a rollover, Tesla's robust roof design provides exceptional protection, capable of withstanding tremendous forces. For instance, the Model 3's roof has been tested to resist over 20,000 pounds of force, showcasing its resilience and commitment to passenger safety. Addressing side impact vulnerabilities. While side impacts pose a challenge for many vehicles, Teslas have addressed this vulnerability through strategic reinforcement. Utilizing ultra-high-grade steel and innovative structural elements, Teslas enhance side impact protection, minimizing the risk of injury to occupants. Additionally, advanced safety features such as curtain airbags further enhance the overall safety rating of Tesla models. Real-world safety performance. The real-world safety performance of Teslas is evident in numerous incidents where occupants have walked away with minor injuries despite severe collisions. From crashes involving poles to multiple obstacles, Teslas have demonstrated their ability to protect occupants under extreme conditions, an accolade that speaks volumes about their safety engineering. Preventive safety technologies. Beyond passive safety measures, Teslas are equipped with advanced technologies aimed at preventing accidents altogether. Features like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking leverage sensors and AI to detect potential hazards and take corrective action, reducing the likelihood of collisions. While these systems continue to evolve, they represent a significant step towards proactive safety in modern vehicles. Challenges and future advancements. Despite Tesla's advancements in safety technology, challenges remain, particularly concerning fully autonomous driving. While Tesla's full self-driving FSD software shows promising capabilities, achieving Level 5 autonomy, where vehicles operate without human intervention, is still a work in progress. Safety experts emphasize the importance of driver vigilance, highlighting instances where relying too heavily on semi-autonomous systems has led to accidents. Debates and regulatory scrutiny. Tesla's safety claims have not been without controversy. Disputes with regulatory bodies over safety rankings and recall issues have sparked debates about transparency and accountability. While Tesla maintains its commitment to safety and continuous improvement, ongoing scrutiny from authorities underscores the complexity of ensuring safety standards in an era of rapid technological advancements. Conclusion: leading the charge in automotive safety. In conclusion, Teslas have undoubtedly raised the bar in automotive safety, showcasing a blend of innovative engineering, advanced technologies, and real-world performance. While challenges and debates persist, Tesla's dedication to pushing boundaries and prioritizing passenger safety positions them as leaders in the quest for safer transportation. As technology evolves and safety standards evolve, the journey towards safer roads continues, with Tesla at the forefront of innovation and progress.